Hey y'all, welcome back to Keep Austin Seared. It's Labor Day weekend, we got picnics and cookouts and all kinds of things on the horizon, and I thought, what is the quintessential picnic side? Potato salad. I'm about to say something that is an unpopular opinion and may cause a scandal that ripples through the South. I really hate the mayonnaise-based potato salad. I think it's gross. I don't think you should just call everything that's coated in a ton of mayonnaise a salad. So this is a potato salad with a vinaigrette-based dressing, and actually it's more traditional, believe it or not. Potato salad has been in America since the 1800s when it came over with German immigrants, and it was originally made with a vinaigrette-style dressing like this. Mayonnaise didn't come into the picture until like the mid-1900s. This vinaigrette has whole grain mustard, it's got parsley and thyme and green onions, and it's just full of fresh flavor. It's got white wine vinegar that adds just the right amount of acidity. It's a beautiful potato salad. Potato salad. Potato salad, potato salad, potato salad. Okay. And as always, stay tuned until the very end of the video for a full written list of ingredients and instructions so you can make this at home. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying these. It really helps us out. All right, let's get started. We'll fill up our pot to get some water boiling. We're gonna boil our potatoes. These are really small, so we're gonna boil them for about 15 minutes. If you're using a little bit bigger potatoes, then probably it'll be 20 or 25 minutes. Just make sure that a knife will go in easy and come out smooth, and then they're good to go. All right, these have been cooling off for about half an hour. They're warm to the touch, but they're comfortable to hold. And we're gonna go ahead and peel them by hand before we cut them into bite-sized pieces. These are really small, so for most of them just gonna go ahead and slice them into 3 pieces, maybe 4. But if you do have one that's bigger, or if you're working with a bigger style of potato, go ahead and, cut these into half moon sizes or quarters, whatever you need to do. Make it bite size, roughly bite size. Okay, it's time to mix our vinaigrette. We're going to add our oil. And our white wine vinegar first. Okay, now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of whole grain mustard. I'm using this My brand, I really like it, but any whole grain mustard will work. Really, any Dijon mustard would be fine, but I think that you'll be missing out on the texture if you don't go with the whole grain. At this point, we're gonna go ahead and stir these ingredients together before we add the rest. Now we'll add our herbs. We've got some chopped green onion, and we've got some chopped flat leaf parsley. We'll add in our thyme, and lastly the salt and pepper. And give that a quick mix. And then we'll toss in our potatoes. Let's give these a quick mix. And that's it. The time is here. Let's see how it turned out. So good. The herbs, the mustard, that little hint of vinegar. Very delicious. Perfect addition to any picnic or cookout. So, and I mean, you saw, it was fairly easy. So go make this. Take it to your Labor Day get together. Let me know how you like it. Let me know how your friends like it. And I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.